We are going to begin with our Thanksgiving pop-up, our turkey. Now we're going to start with a piece of cardstock, and you are just going to fold it in half. Now in this folded part, you are going to just cut a line. Now, if you're working with young kids, you might want to draw a line. And it can be, however much you want. About halfway is fine. So you will need a pair of scissors. And I'm just going to cut right on that line. Like I said, I don't think I want his mouth to be quite so big, so I'm not going to cut all the way to the top. And now I'm just going to fold these corners back. Corners, and then I'm going to just kind of fold them again back the other way and then open it up, fold it, and again just kind of get those edges nice and edgy. Okay, now we're gonna fold it once again back the other way. Did you see it? Did you see how it works? You're going to open it up, and now we're going to pop that through. You see it? You see it? Now this is the part that can get a little tricky with younger kids. They might need some help. So you're going to fold it so that those triangles are now on the inside. Okay? So that's it. That's the basis for our pop-up book. And you can make all different kinds of things. We're gonna make our Thanksgiving turkey right now, but you can make chicken. You can make kids have made monkeys and sharks and alligators and lions. Like, you can make anything that you want with this base. But again, we're gonna start with the turkey. So for this, I'm just going to give my turkey some. Let's see. I think which side do I want to do? I think I'm gonna have this. This one's a little bit bigger, so. I'm gonna give that turkey some eyeballs and eyeballs and a little bit of a body over here. And you can outline it and have fun with it, do whatever you want. And again, let the kids do whatever they want. I am always telling kids whenever I do videos, I have hundreds of craft videos that I've done. You can see some of those on YouTube, and I'll be putting a lot more of those on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok, but I have lots of videos, and whenever I'm doing a project with kids, I tell them I don't want theirs to look like mine. It should be different. They should use their imagination, make it their own masterpiece. I don't like projects where it is copy, make it the exact same thing. I will give you some templates, but feel free to just go for it. Oh, like for example, I'm making my turkey green for whatever reason. I just picked up a green marker. So my turkey's looking a little bit more like a frog there, but that's okay. Now I think the things that really make it look like a turkey are the comb, and then the wattle. So we're gonna give it a little bit of a comb over the head, and a little bit of the wattle. We can color that in and get really elaborate with it. And then I am just going to make my feathers. And I'm just going to eyeball it. Ta-da! And this one I spent a lot more time with and colored in. I made it a little bit smaller. I didn't make the feathers quite so big, so I wrote, I am grateful for you, or you could write, I am thankful for you. Gobble till you wobble, whatever you want to do. This is a fun card. Let the kids come up with whatever message they want to do. I didn't do anything on this. Well, so once you have your base, you can just take that and take a piece of construction paper, fold it in half, and then a little bit of glue or scotch tape or anything that you want to do to attach that easily. And Instant Card, they can decorate the front, and there it is.